Welcome back to Muff, Minutes Until Fit. This is your host Imani. The information contained in this video is of general nature. We are not doctors. If you have the desire to run or exercise, please speak to your doctor before starting any exercise regimen. This week we will discuss 5 proper running techniques. Number 1, control your breathing. Breathing rhythm when running should fit in with the rhythm that the rest of your body is working in. Your inhale and exhale will most likely vary as your intensity of the exercise varies. Number 2, avoid overstriding. Do not overflex the knee. The knee is to be flexed directly above the ankle on initial contact. Number 3, maintain a tall posture as you run. You can maintain a good posture by doing hip flexor stretches. Number 4, relax your shoulders. Tension in your shoulders, neck, or upper back can inhibit your arm motions. Your arms need to be balanced so they can provide rhythm and power as you run. Number 5, don't bounce or rotate excessively. Run in a linear motion as you move forward in a straight line. Do not rotate your body excessively from side to side. Excessive rotating drains your energy and you will not be able to control and stabilize for the end goal. These are some great running techniques. This has been your host Imani. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the end of the video. And until next time,